At the core of the left, at the core of a liberal, is someone that would use the sword if they had it. They are very violent people at their core.
Magaling silang manlinlang. If yung source nung argumento nila, katulad ng Supreme Court, is not going to go with them, then they are willing na siraan yung justice system natin, even the Supreme Court, para lang matuloy yung narrative na gusto nilang mangyari. Madalas nilang sinasabi sa mga rally nila that they are pro-poor. Pero ang madalas na hindi nila ini-include is that yung society natin are not only composed of poor Filipino people. Kaya nagsasuggest sila ng mga batas na against or hindi man lang masasama sa progreso or hindi man lang iintindihin yung ibang katayuan or kalagayan ng maapektuhan doon sa gusto nilang isulong. Best example na dyan is yung pataas ng minimum wage. Most people cannot understand kung ano yung mangyayari pag tumaas yung minimum wage, kasi nga, unang-una, hindi naman sila business owner. They never tried to become business owner, kaya hindi nila maintindihan kung bakit hindi maganda yung patuloy na pagtaas ng minimum wage. Another example sa mga probinsya. Sabihin nila, oh, ang hirap ng mga probinsya kasi hindi nyo naaabutan ng tulong. Eh, sino bang nanununog ng mga heavy equipments? 'Di ba? Ng mga businesses. Pag hindi nagbibigay ng revolutionary tax? Sino yung nanununog ng mga cell sites? Sino yung nang-ambush ng mga relief goods? 'Di ba sila rin? Tapos palilitawin nila na inefficient yung gobyerno, pero in reality, malaki doon sa kagagawan nila yung rason kung bakit mahirap yung lugar na pinamumugaran ng grupo mismo nila.
They always have it. They can't debate. They can't have conversation. So they'll resort to these tactics. They're going to do everything they possibly can to try to murder this movement because they can't beat us. So they're going to try to take weapons. And no, we're very aware of that. I'm aware of it. We have to have full-time security. This is not a joke. This is who these people are.
Tignan nyo na lang kung paano sila makipag-argumento. Gagamit lahat sila ng mga dirty tactics, misrepresentation, blah blah blah, ad hominem, para lang manalo. Ganon sila dahil alam nila na yung target audience nila would not even care, or siguro yung mga supporters nila does not even care about what's truth anymore. They only care about what feels good to their group, to their bubble, to their echo chamber. They do not care about the truth anymore. All they care about is to win and feel good about that win. Regardless kung may matatapakan silang tao or kahit matapakan nila yung tao, as long as naaayon sa pinaglalaban nila yan, wala silang paki. Katulad ng wala silang paki doon sa mga yumaman, kasi nga mayaman sila. All they are after is to look good for the poor people para iboto sila ng iboto at purihin sila ng purihin ng mga taong tinutulungan nila. But in reality, they are the same people who are trying to keep those people poor. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.